I'm Luis. Welcome to NearHub Academy. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few tips on how to share Canvas on NearHub Board. Okay, let's take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your Canvas. The upper right-hand corner has a few different little icons on there. The first one is the button of presentation mode, which can help you realize a full-screen presentation without any loss of detail. And the other one is what we are going to talk about today. Share Canvas with your teammates. Okay, let's click on the invite button. As we can see, there are 4 sharing options appearing on the screen. First, we can directly enter the email addresses of collaborators to invite them to join the whiteboard directly. Second, we can tap on here to get a Canvas code, and then your teammates can enter this code on devices like other NearHub boards, computers, or mobiles to collaborate on the whiteboard. Third, we are able to click on here to create a public link and then share it directly through other apps including Teams, WeChat, or Skype. Fourth, we can enable some teammates who use tablets and mobile phones to join the whiteboard by sharing the QR code. Just tap on here. This is a great option for meetings in a really large space. So that's it for our NearHub Academy today. Thanks for watching. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Wishing you a happy journey with NearHub in the future.